If you've ever wondered exactly how many people are visiting your WordPress website and where they're coming from, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to check your website traffic in 2026 using the powerful, privacy-friendly WP Statistics plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not just the numbers, but also the stories your traffic tells, with insights into visitors, referrers, content performance, and even real-time user data. Let's dive in and get your site's pulse at your fingertips. First things first, we need to get the WP Statistics plugin up and running. In your WordPress dashboard, head over to Plugins, then Add New. In the search box, type WP Statistics. You'll spot it pretty quickly. It's one of the most popular analytics plugins for WordPress. Click Install now, and once it's done, hit Activate. Don't worry if this part takes a moment. WordPress is just unpacking everything behind the scenes. Before you start seeing visitor numbers, it's important to check that your date and time settings are accurate. This might sound minor, but if your site's clock is off, your traffic data can look confusing or even misleading. So hop into Settings, then General, and double-check both the time zone and your site's date format. That way your stats will match up with real-world timing, which is essential if you want to act on spikes or trends. Now, if you want to do more than just count visits, if you also want to see where in the world your visitors are coming from, it's a great idea to enable the Geo IP feature. Simply navigate to Statistics, then Settings. Under the Externals tab, switch on Geo IP Collection. This step unlocks geographic tracking without compromising user privacy, so you'll get an extra layer of insight. Once setup is complete, it's time for the exciting part. Exploring your traffic reports. The heart of WP Statistics is its Overview page. Head to Statistics, then Overview. Here you'll immediately see a dashboard full of summary stats like total visits, best referrers, and a world map of recent visitors. Think of this like a health monitor for your site, a quick way to spot big trends or sudden spikes. If you want to dig deeper, go to Statistics and then Recent Visitors. This section shows you a running list of the individual sessions, details like what browser visitors are using, their hashed IP address for privacy, and which website or search engine led them to you. It's a bit like picking names out of a virtual guestbook, but in a way that keeps user identities safe. Curious about who's live right at this moment? Visit Statistics and then Online. This page lets you see real-time activity as people browse your site. It's pretty motivating to watch the numbers change as new users arrive. Understanding your content's performance is also key. Under Statistics pages, you can identify your most popular blog posts or landing pages. This insight can show you what topics or products are drawing the most interest, so you can double down on creating what works. Now let's talk about some key metrics you'll encounter. Visitors counts unique individuals in a specific time frame. That's each person only once, no matter how many pages they view. Views, on the other hand, is every single page load or refresh, so it'll always be higher. Referrer data is super helpful. It tells you which platforms like Google or Facebook are actually sending you substantial traffic. And by checking out the Devices section, you'll learn what browsers and operating systems people use. This can help you tweak your site's design for the majority of your audience, like making sure things look great on mobile if most people visit from their phones. WP Statistics in 2026 comes packed with some advanced features I want to quickly mention. Out of the box, it's cookieless and GDPR compliant, so typically there's no need to annoy your users with a consent banner just to collect basic stats. If you have multiple authors, you can even track the performance of their posts individually, which is fantastic for content teams. And if you're worried about ad blockers throwing off your numbers, don't sweat it. The plugin has options to load tracking scripts dynamically, making your data more accurate. And that's it. You've learned how to install WP Statistics, set it up for reliable tracking, and use all its reports and features to get a clear picture of your website's visitors and content performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on growing and mastering your WordPress site. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.